This video guitar lesson is all about how to play songs on the guitar. There are two main ways to play songs on the guitar. The first way is to play the chords and then sing the song. The second way is to play the notes or the melody, almost like getting the guitar to sing the song. So what you want to do is go on Google and type in the artist name and then the title of the song and then the word chords. And there should be at least one website that has the chords. A very popular one and one that I use quite often is called Ultimate Guitar. I'm not sponsored by the website, I just have used it before. When you get there, you should see something like this. This is called a chord chart. And so you have the lyrics to the song, and above the lyrics you have what chords you play on the guitar as you sing. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. So the way that I know when to play each chord is the chords are right on top of the letter of the word that I'm going to play that chord. So for example, the first line, twinkle, I play the D chord right in that letter T of the word twinkle, and then the second twinkle I also play the D chord again, and then I don't play the G chord until I start to sing the word little, right at the L or the I in the word little. And then the D chord, I don't play that chord until the T sound in the word star. So twinkle, right there's the chord D, and I don't play it again until I sing the next twinkle. Twinkle, little, there's the G chord, star. So right there on the T in the word star, that's when the D chord, I'm going to play it right with that. So now I'm going to go to the second line. So I have to play a G chord and sing the word how. And then I don't play the D chord until I get that first W sound in the word wonder. So it'll be how I wonder what you are. So I'm just overemphasizing there so you can see exactly how that works. So that is how to play songs and sing along with them. Now let's take a look at how to play songs on the guitar where you don't sing, you play the melody on the guitar. So it's like you're using the guitar, you're getting the guitar to sing the song. So you're going to go on Google and type in the artist name, the song title, and then the word tab, T-A-B. And then you should find a website that has something like this. And what you'll see is 6 lines. And each line represents one of the guitar strings. And most tab will have, you can see all the way on the left corner, going from bottom to top, you'll see the letters E, A, D, G, B, E. And that lets you know which string each line represents. Sometimes you don't have that, you just have to count the lines to know which string you're on. So again, the bottom line is the thickest string on the guitar, the low E string. So it's this string right here on the guitar, the thickest string, the one closest to your chin. And then the line above it is the A string, the next string, and so on and so forth. So the very top line is the skinniest E string. And this is how to play the song Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. This is just the first part. And you'll see on the line that represents the D string. So if you look all the way to the left, E, A, D, and then immediately to the right of that, we have a 0. And what that means is to play the string open, so you're not fretting it. So it just means to play the D string open like this. And I play it twice because there's 2 zeros. So it's just like reading a book. We're reading from left to right. And then after that, it has the number 2, and that's on the line for the G string. So the way we would play that from the beginning is open D string twice, and then G second fret twice. Okay, so we're moving left to right, just like reading a book. 0, 0 on the D string, 2, 2 on the G string. Then we have 0, 0 on the B string. Then we go back to the G string, 2nd fret. Then we play the G string open twice. And then the D string, 4th fret, twice. 2nd fret, twice. And the D string open. So I'll play this whole part here from the beginning so you can hear that it's Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star. So that's the basics of how to read guitar tab. Also, please feel free to ask any questions. And if you'd like to watch more of my videos, just search Guitarincrease. Thank you very much.